Hello gals and guys, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. Today's video is all about how to properly clean your mattress and everything else on your bed. Think about your bed. It's a cozy haven, a place to relax after a long day. But have you ever considered what might be lurking beneath the surface? Dust mites thrive in warm, humid environments like your bed. Their presence can impact our health and well-being. Fortunately, maintaining a clean sleep environment is easier than you think. For more tips on keeping your home spotless, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep for free, and ring the notification bell so you're sure to see every episode. The first step is understanding the importance of regular cleaning. Many people focus on washing their sheets and pillowcases regularly, but forget about the mattress itself. However, your mattress acts like a giant sponge, absorbing all sorts of things we'd rather not think about. This is where a proper cleaning routine comes in. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier and more hygienic sleep sanctuary. By taking a few simple steps, you can banish dust mites, remove allergens, and ensure your bed is a place of true rest and rejuvenation. This guide will provide you with all the information you need to properly clean your mattress and bedding, ensuring a more restful and healthy sleep environment for years to come. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of mattress cleaning, debunk common myths, and provide you with easy-to-follow steps to make your bed a haven of cleanliness. So let's get started on the path to a cleaner, healthier you, starting with the place where you lay your head to rest each night. Let's start by addressing a common misconception that mattresses are impervious to dirt and grime. You might have heard someone say, mattresses are designed to repel stains. While it's true that many modern mattresses come with stain-resistant treatments, these are not foolproof barriers. These treatments are meant to buy you some time in the event of a spill, not to replace regular cleaning. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wear the same shirt day after day without washing it, right? Your mattress, while covered by sheets, is still subject to sweat, body oils, and yes, the occasional spill. Over time, these substances can seep into the mattress, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and dust mites. Ignoring this buildup can not only compromise the hygiene of your sleep environment, but also potentially impact the lifespan of your mattress. So the next time you reach for the laundry detergent, remember that your mattress deserves a little TLC too. Now let's talk about mattress protectors. These often overlooked heroes in the battle for a clean bed are worth their weight in gold. A good mattress protector acts as a physical barrier between your mattress and the outside world, preventing spills, stains, and other mishaps from penetrating the mattress itself. However, simply owning a mattress protector isn't enough. Just like your sheets and pillowcases, it needs regular cleaning too. Many people make the mistake of forgetting about their mattress protector, leaving it on for months or even years without a wash. This defeats the purpose entirely, as a dirty mattress protector can harbor just as many dust mites and allergens as an unprotected mattress. Remember, a mattress protector is an investment in the longevity and cleanliness of your mattress. Treat it as an essential part of your bedding and wash it regularly to reap its full benefits. Finally, let's discuss spot cleaning. We've all been there. A spilled cup of coffee, a pet accident, or a rogue breakfast in bed gone wrong. While it's natural to want to tackle stains immediately, the way you approach spot cleaning can make all the difference. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using harsh chemicals or excessive amounts of water. While your intentions might be good, drenching a stain with cleaner or scrubbing vigorously can actually push the stain deeper into the mattress fibers, making it nearly impossible to remove. Additionally, using harsh chemicals can damage the mattress fabric and potentially void your warranty. Instead of reaching for the heavy-duty stain remover, opt for gentler methods. We'll delve into these techniques in detail later, but for now, remember that less is often more when it comes to spot cleaning your mattress. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's gather our cleaning supplies. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy equipment or harsh chemicals. In fact, chances are you already have most of what you need right in your home. Here's a checklist to get you started. Baking soda. This pantry staple is a natural deodorizer and will help absorb moisture and odors from your mattress. White vinegar. Another household hero, white vinegar, is a natural disinfectant and can help lift stains. Spray bottle. You'll need this to evenly distribute your cleaning solution. Clean cloths or sponges. Microfiber cloths work best, but any clean, lint-free cloth will do. Vacuum cleaner with upholstery attachment. Essential for removing dust, debris, and baking soda. Essential oils, like lavender or tea tree oil, are optional for a fresh scent. Once you have your cleaning arsenal assembled, you're ready to tackle that mattress and give it the deep clean it deserves. The first step in our mattress cleaning journey is a thorough vacuuming. Remember all those dust mites, dead skin cells, and other debris we talked about? Well, it's time to evict them. Strip your bed of all bedding, including your mattress protector, and toss them in the laundry. Now, attach the upholstery attachment to your vacuum cleaner and get to work. Start at the top of the mattress and work your way down in slow, overlapping strokes. Pay close attention to seams, crevices, and any areas where dust tends to collect. Don't forget to vacuum the sides of the mattress as well. This step not only removes surface debris, but also helps loosen any deeper dirt and dust mites, preparing the mattress for the next stage of cleaning. Next up, we'll address any stains or spills that might be marring your mattress. Remember our advice about avoiding harsh chemicals? We're going to stick to gentle, natural solutions that are effective yet safe for your mattress. For fresh spills, blot, don't rub, the area with a clean, dry cloth to absorb as much liquid as possible. For older, set-in stains, you can make a simple cleaning solution by mixing equal parts water and white vinegar in your spray bottle. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil if you like. Lightly mist the stained area with the cleaning solution, being careful not to oversaturate the mattress. Let the solution sit for a few minutes to allow it to work its magic. Then, using a clean damp cloth, gently blot the stain, working from the outside in. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the stain. Once you've tackled any visible stains, it's time to harness the power of nature to further freshen and deodorize your mattress. Sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda over the entire surface of the mattress. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and moisture absorber, drawing out any lingering odors and moisture from the mattress. Allow the baking soda to sit for at least a few hours, preferably in a well-ventilated room. If possible, place the mattress near a sunny window. The sun's UV rays act as a natural disinfectant, further sanitizing your mattress. After the baking soda has had time to work its magic, vacuum it up thoroughly using the upholstery attachment. Make sure to remove all the baking soda, paying close attention to seams and crevices. Once you're done, your mattress should look and smell fresh and clean. Now that your mattress is sparkling clean, let's turn our attention to those other essential sleep companions, your pillows. Pillows, just like mattresses, collect dust mites, dead skin cells, and even traces of drool over time. While you might diligently wash your pillowcases, neglecting the pillows themselves can lead to a buildup of allergens and unpleasant odors. Fortunately, most pillows are machine washable, making it easier than you might think to give them a thorough cleaning. Before tossing them in the wash, check the care label for specific instructions. Generally, you can wash pillows in warm water with your regular detergent. For extra cleaning power, add half a cup of baking soda to the wash cycle. To ensure your pillows dry completely and avoid any clumping of filling, add a couple of tennis balls to the dryer. The tennis balls will help fluff the pillows and ensure they dry evenly. Aim for a low heat setting and allow extra drying time. Once your pillows are completely dry, give them a good fluff and enjoy that fresh from the dryer feeling. Ah, fresh sheets. Is there any feeling quite as satisfying? While most of us understand the importance of washing our sheets regularly, there are a few tricks to maximizing their cleanliness and extending their lifespan. Firstly, always follow the care instructions on your sheet label. Different fabrics have different washing requirements, and using the wrong temperature or drying cycle can damage delicate fibers. Generally, it's best to wash sheets in hot water to effectively kill bacteria and dust mites. Secondly, avoid overloading your washing machine. Sheets need ample space to move around in the wash to get truly clean. Overloading can lead to uneven cleaning and prevent detergent from rinsing out properly. Finally, don't overdry your sheets. Overdrying can weaken fibers and lead to wrinkles. Instead, opt for a lower heat setting and remove your sheets from the dryer while they're still slightly damp. Smooth them out and allow them to air dry completely for that crisp hotel bed feeling. Comforters and duvets provide that extra layer of warmth and coziness, but they can also harbor dust mites and allergens if not cleaned properly. Unlike sheets and pillowcases, you won't be washing your comforter or duvet as frequently. However, it's still crucial to give them a thorough cleaning a few times a year. Before washing, check the care label for specific instructions. Some comforters and duvets are machine washable, while others might require professional dry cleaning. If your comforter or duvet is machine washable, use a gentle cycle and a mild detergent. Avoid using fabric softeners, as they can coat the fibers and reduce the comforter's ability to breathe. Drying a comforter or duvet can be a bit trickier due to their size and thickness. If possible, use a large capacity dryer and a low heat setting. Add a few tennis balls to the dryer to help distribute the filling evenly and prevent clumping. Be patient and allow ample drying time, as a damp comforter or duvet can develop mildew. While the mattress, pillows, sheets, and comforter might be the stars of the show, let's not forget about those other bedding essentials that contribute to a truly clean and healthy sleep environment. Mattress toppers, those plush layers of comfort, should be cleaned according to the manufacturer's instructions. Some toppers are machine washable, while others require spot cleaning or professional cleaning. Throw blankets, decorative pillows, and even stuffed animals that share your bed should also be laundered regularly. Follow the care instructions on each item, and when in doubt, err on the side of caution. A gentle cycle and mild detergent are usually safe bets. By giving these often overlooked items a regular cleaning, you can ensure your entire sleep sanctuary is a haven of freshness and hygiene. Maintaining a clean and inviting bed isn't just about those big cleaning days. It's the little everyday habits that make a world of difference. Incorporating a few simple rituals into your daily routine can significantly impact the freshness and hygiene of your sleep environment. Start your day by giving your bed a few minutes of attention. Rather than simply leaving your bed unmade, take a moment to pull back the sheets and blankets, allowing your mattress to air out. This simple step helps to dissipate any moisture that may have accumulated during the night, discouraging the growth of dust mites. Next, fluff your pillows and give them a good shake to redistribute the filling and maintain their shape. Finally, smooth out your sheets and blankets, creating a sense of order and inviting you back to a freshly made bed at the end of a long day. These small gestures, repeated daily, contribute to a more hygienic and inviting sleep sanctuary. While daily rituals go a long way in maintaining a clean bed, your mattress still needs a deep clean every now and then. Think of it as a spa day for your mattress, a chance to rejuvenate and refresh after months of use. But how often should you be scheduling these deep cleaning sessions? A good rule of thumb is to aim for a thorough mattress cleaning every 6 months. However, you might need to adjust this schedule based on your lifestyle and individual needs. If you have pets that share your bed, are prone to allergies, or live in a particularly humid climate, you might benefit from more frequent cleanings. On the other hand, if you use a high-quality mattress protector and are generally diligent about your bedding hygiene, you might be able to stretch out those deep cleans to every 9 months or so. Listen to your mattress and your body. If you notice any lingering odors, increased allergy symptoms, or visible stains, it's definitely time for a deep clean. Before moving on, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep for free, and hit the notification bell for more cleaning hacks and home care advice. Mattresses don't last forever. Even with care, they lose support and accumulate allergens. Knowing when to replace your mattress is crucial. Consider replacing it every 7 to 10 years. Signs include waking up sore, sagging, or increased tossing and turning. Increased allergy symptoms can also indicate it's time. A good night's sleep is an investment in your health. We've covered a lot of ground in our quest for a cleaner, healthier sleep sanctuary. From debunking mattress myths to mastering pillow fluffing, you're now armed with the knowledge to create a sleep environment that promotes hygiene and restful slumber. It's about creating a space that feels fresh, inviting, and conducive to a good night's sleep. Incorporate small daily rituals of airing out your bedding, fluffing your pillows, and making your bed each morning. Schedule biannual deep cleans for your mattress, treating it to a spa day of vacuuming, stain removal, and a refreshing sprinkle of baking soda. Embrace the power of a well-cleaned bed and drift off to dreamland knowing you've created a haven of hygiene and comfort. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you soon for the next episode.